What is up, YouTube? I hope you're all having an amazing day. We are back again with another healthy and delicious recipe. Today we're gonna be making homemade Nutella. If you liked my almond butter recipe, you're gonna love this recipe. It's so easy. So for this recipe, we're using some raw hazelnuts and some dark chocolate. All you need is a high-speed blender, a baking sheet, because we're gonna put our hazelnuts in the oven to roast for a little, and that's it, really. It's so simple, just few ingredients. If you like this recipe, please make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future recipes. So let's get into the video.